Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome to this special episode of Highway Code Explained. Taking advantage of red weather warning and this winter weather, we're gonna cover winter driving rules 228 to 231. So the main advice is don't drive at all unless it's absolutely essential. And to be honest with you, that's a very good advice for the UK. Difficult driving conditions make driving tricky and you risk getting stuck. In 2010, hundreds of motorists got stuck on M8 for a whole night. It was a really terrifying experience. For those kind of situations, Highway Code advises you to bring the emergency kit. Just think what you would like to have with you if you get stuck for 24 hours. But if you do have to travel, there are a few things you should know. First of all, rule 229, clearing all the snow and ice from your car. And I mean seriously, put your back into it. And it's not just the windows, but also lights, number plates, mirrors, and all the snow that may fall into the path of other vehicles, so roof and bonnet as well. Windows have to be completely clear, otherwise you're risking getting a ticket or worse. In case of an accident, your insurance may be invalid. When driving, use common sense. Don't overtake snowplows. Have in mind conditions may change from bend to bend. When it comes to driving techniques, be gentle with accelerating, braking, turning. Nice and smooth. You will have very little grip available, so make sure you use it wisely. Don't split it between braking and turning. Brake on straight, finish with braking and then turn. Here is where advanced driving training will help, so consider a course. You can check the grip by braking or accelerating in a safe place. And that's it for today. If you like the video, please hit the like button. For more videos about driving smarter, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, Mark.